a new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with a voiceover. So the unit I will be reviewing today was sent to me by UNicehair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. As you guys can see right here, I'm showing you guys the cap construction. This unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And it is a 13x4 lace front wig. Now, if you are interested in any more details, specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. And I'll see you love bugs in the outro. Bye!
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane, either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go on.
Okay. I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves, and I'm knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone and the presence.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all the good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by UNice Hair. Shout out to you, UNice, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. So the unit that I am wearing is 24 inches. It says I'm wearing 24-inch dark brown balayage lace wig, and then that's what they sent me to my email, so that's what you'll see down below in the description box. So when I click on the site, it says UNice 13x4 lace front highlight wig, human hair, 5x5 HD lace closure wig, pre-plucked virgin hair body wave wig, invisible HD lace wig. So I'm guessing that you can get this unit in a 5x5 closure, or you can get it in the 13x4 lace frontal like I have it. And I'm trying to find more details. Hold on. Okay, so the only specifications I see, it says brand name UNice, a wig length long. I do have it in 24 inches as I stated. It says the texture is body wave, and the lace wig type is lace front wig. And I'm trying to see if they have on here where you can get it in a 5x5 lace closure, because for them to have that in the title, it has to be available like that, but I don't see it. So I don't know, child, but I have it in a 13x4 lace closure. So keep that in mind. Like, I just want you guys to, keep that in mind right there. With this wig, it did come pre-tweezed, as I'm sure you guys saw, and I did just go ahead and do baby hairs. I was kind of going back and forth, like, do I want the baby hairs? Do I want them? Do I not want them? Do I want them? And then I did decide to wear, like, cut some baby hairs in it. And yeah, I didn't tweeze this wig whatsoever. If you want to, like, if you go for a super like extra natural like look, you can definitely tweeze it more. But I felt like the hairline looked really good as is. It is pre-tweezed as the company states, and I felt like it looked good, honey, in my personal opinion. Like, you do what you want to, honey, if you get it, because she's your wig. But that's what I decided to do. As far as this unit being big head friendly, I do feel like it is big head friendly. I did adjust the straps, and it fits really nicely with the straps adjusted on me. And as I keep saying, you guys, I do have like a little afro under here, and I did also do the ball cap method. So I feel like with my little afro and the fact that I still need to adjust the straps and it to still feel good, like, that is definitely big head friendly. And I feel like if you have a smaller head, you can adjust the straps and you can make old girl work. But if I'm not mistaken, this unit is in an average cap size, so just bear that in mind. You probably already know what size cap you wear, and if you're not comfortable with the average cap size when you wear a large, then maybe this ain't your cup of tea. As the same goes with the small. So just keep that in mind. I want to throw that out there and make you guys aware of that. As far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I did not notice any shedding. I did not notice any tangling with this wig straight out of the bat. I'm sure at some point it probably will do both. But straight out of the packaging, it did not. So I want you guys to bear that in mind as well. Straight out of the packaging, honey, she did not do any of those things, girl. So keep that in mind. Now, if you are interested in how I feel about this unit, as well as a lint check and a full 360, honey, then please continue to watch. Now, you already know that this is your girl swag. Like, you knew when I took her out the box that this was my swag. So you already knew that I was definitely feeling this wig. Like, I can't stop looking at myself in this monitor. When you see me looking over there like, either I'm uncomfortable or I'm feeling myself. In this case, I am feeling myself. I think this wig is everything. I love everything about this wig. I love the color. I love the waves, honey. You guys saw that I did do the pin curl method, and when I say the pin curl method, all I do is use my curling iron, and after I curl it, I get the hair and pin curl it with some little pin curls like this. I let that sit for like long enough for me to put the wig on my head, and then that's it. Like that is that. Like that's that, girl. So I did do that, and I did use my Chi helmet head to spray the hair, you know, kind of to maintain the curls some. I did decide to cut some layers just like in the bang area because I am a bang girl. Like I feel like it with my face, I have a very, very you know, blowfish type of face. So I like to kind of like have bangs to layer it, and I feel like it kind of slims it down a little bit along with that contour, honey. But yeah, that's what I did to the unit. And I did tell you guys I used the ball cap method, and after I did the ball cap method, I also used my TE bed head, which is down below in the description box, which is a wax stick. And I did use my Cream of Nature Argan mousse. And yeah, that was that with this unit. I feel like it was an effortless slay. But when it comes to body wave units, because I like the extra curls, and I always curl all of my body wave units. My son is playing Fortnite. If you heard him screaming, he's not dying. He may be dying on Fortnite, but he ain't dying in real life. So yeah, I always do that, but you don't have to do that unless you want to. As long as you already know how to kind of lay a frontal, this one was an easy one to do because in my opinion, you didn't have to do a whole lot. Now, honey, I did go a little crazy with the baby hair. Sometimes I do that, but it's all good in the hood, okay? It still looks good. I love the unit. I think the unit is gorgeous, and yeah, shout out to you, UNice. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check, and we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, if you are feeling this unit, if you're liking it as much as I am, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, we're done. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. On Health Ministry on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for some